What's going on? What's up everyone? Welcome back to another vlog. So we just got off the bus and right now we're taking one of these boats to Koh Kret. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different because I'm joining with a local tour company this is gonna be a very exciting day. We are going to about 7 places. Koh Kret is an island in the middle of Chao Phraya River, about 20 kilometers north of Bangkok. You can either get there by boat or by bus and ferry. If you're looking for a day trip to Bangkok and a time to enjoy some peace, relaxation, and local culture of the island, Koh Kret makes an excellent day trip. It's really nice breeze out here, so calming. So we officially made it to Koh Kret and right now we are in BATIK where we're gonna have our breakfast today. And we basically got off the bus around 7:20 in the morning, super early. We started around 5 in the morning, so we have a long day ahead, 5 to 7 spots throughout the whole day. So this is gonna be super interesting. Stick around until the end of the video to find out all the beautiful locations. Alright, let's go have breakfast right now. Okay, mommy, good day. Alright, we got some rice porridge, chicken rice porridge for breakfast and mom's special care. Today's gonna be a great day. Back in the days in Thailand, they would have one of these jar, or even in bigger size, they would put water in here and they would collect them as a drinking water. Sometimes they would collect water from the rain, so they would just leave it in front of their house to collect rainwater so that they can drink it later on. Super interesting. So it's like having one motorbike for each person in the house. They have like each boat for each person in the house. There are like 8 boats down here below this house, and the idea of crossing the river whenever you want, that is awesome. We're back at the boat again. Right now we're heading to a different part of the island. Off to our second stop in Koh Kret Island. Here we're gonna explore temple, we're gonna explore a little bit of pottery, artistic Mon style pottery and local market here, so let's do it. So these are just like the ones I showed you earlier, which are used to store water, and it helps to keep the water cold, a little bit chilled because of how it's made out of mud. Check this out. This is a huge collection of pottery here. This is really cool. Let's check out the machines.
มันก็ปั้นไม่ได้ มันเป็นดินทรายซะส่วนใหญ่อะค่ะโอเคเราอนุรักษ์กันเลย
Here is this chamber right here where they put all the raw pots inside and kind of warm them before it's ready to use. This is really nice, and it's huge actually. I wonder like how much of pots is in there. I just got myself one of these. Really nice.
ให้พี่ผู้หญิงไปนั่นน่ะใบละ10 บาทแล้วพี่ก็ซื้อเนี่ยรถนี่ด้วยแล้วก็แถมโอ่งให้ใบละ10 บาทไปหยิบเอาเลยไปหยิบเอาเลย
ไปละ10 บาทอะ
I just got myself this like little pot. I don't know what I'm gonna use that for, but it seems nice. So just to support their business, you know, and they've been kind enough to like let someone do the pottery for us and show like how it works. So they've been kind enough to give me another small pot just for free, and all of these was for only like 140 baht, which is about like $4. Super cool. So right now I'm walking through this little market here, and to add a little more with the pottery thing is that you can actually get yourself one of those little pile of mud and you can create your own pot, and it costs only 50 baht. So if you're in this island, this is highly recommend that you check out that place. More temple around this area. It's just so gorgeous, guys. Look at this white stupa right here. Well, in Thailand, if you're not buying lottery, you're not going places. And there's actually like a really fun fact and like history behind all the mystery behind buying lotteries and like how they come up with numbers. Back to the pier where we started. Basically, we went around the whole Koh Kret island, and right now we're gonna head back to the bus and get to somewhere around Nonthaburi, some other attractions. And this is gonna be more exciting. Right now I'm in PREECHA date plantation or date farm, where they have all of these like date palm trees going around. Not so much on this area. This is like so empty. But there are like other areas where they have like plenty of these, and they would do like huge production on palm and distribute throughout the whole country. So any place I go today, I'm gonna put the link in the description with Google Map and then with the name of the place. So if you guys are interested, feel free to check that out. Also check this out. Wow, so nice and fresh. My first time visiting a date plantation. Trying out this date right here. Usually when we eat it, it's like the dried version of the fruit, but this one is like straight off the tree, so the texture is a bit different. It's more juicy. It's really nice. But this is basically how they dry it up in the sunlight. So really interesting.
อินทผลัม 100% ดีต่อสุขภาพชื่นใจ
This is date juice, 100%. Let's try it out. Not as sweet as I anticipated. This is great. So this tour is organized by a Muslim. So everyone in here is Muslim, almost everyone. And a really good thing is that finding halal food can be challenging when you're like getting around Thailand. So being a part of this tour group is really good because you will get halal food no matter where you go. So highly recommend it. So after being in the bus for about an hour, looks like we made our way to a pretty nice cafe out here. Oh.
อะไรนะ
It's really hot out here, but like having this lake on this side and this lotus pond here on the other side, it just gives this like different breeze and it's not as hot as it would be, so it just feels much better. And the view is gorgeous, green pretty much all around. Alright, so we just pulled over here in front of this mosque. So a really great thing about this tour is that we never miss a single prayer with this tour. So I think we still have like 3 or 4 locations up next for the rest of the day. So my plan is basically to divide this one whole day trip into 2 vlogs. So I guess I'm gonna see you guys in episode 2 of this vlog. So see you guys on the vlog 2. Peace.